Good morning, students. Uh, this is the question number 7 of chapter 2. Answer the following question in detail in about 150 words. Traditional communities tend to hold on to their customs, traditions, and beliefs. Using examples of your own, explain the statement with reference to either family or religion. Also, discuss any three ways by which change is introduced into traditional communities. Okay, so this is your question. Now, you have to answer this question accordingly. Traditions, customs, and beliefs bind people together and build bonds between them. Okay? By sharing, actually, this word is sacred, it's not scared. Okay? Sacred quality and worshipping together, a collective conscience emerges. Religion is not just a set of beliefs, it involves sacred and rituals. It creates a single moral community that are collective. Religion legitimizes society's values, customs, and traditions by making them sacred. Hence, traditional communities tend to hold on to their customs, traditions, and beliefs. Okay, so overall, the concept of this answer is tradition, customs, and beliefs bind people together. Okay, there is a bond between people, and it make a strong relationship among the people. It's create a single moral community. Yes, it's like a community bond, we can say. And people collectively, whatever action is taken, that is collectively. They sometimes what happen, they are not knowing each other, but due to that community bond, they connected with each other, and whatever activity is taken, that should be collective. Even the values, the customs, the rituals. So that religion, it's a kind which inculcate values, customs, traditions among the people. Okay, even the rituals which are performed, that was also collective. Means whatever festivals are there, that was celebrated equally and collectively. So traditional communities tend to hold on their customs, traditions, and beliefs. The next is with reference to family. In India, in a typical joint family, all members reside together in one house. They eat food prepared jointly, they hold common property. In the Indian family, feeling of dependence and discipline is found on a large scale. Social, economic, religious, and cultural life of Indian families collective in nature. Okay, now here the reference of the family is given. Like in India, it is a typical joint family we have observed. Okay, and they reside in the one house. The food habits, whatever foods is prepared, that is prepared jointly. Common property is there. Okay, in Indian family, feeling of dependence and discipline is found on a large scale. The manners, the etiquettes which we learn, that comes from family itself. Social, economic, religious, and cultural life of Indian families collective in nature. In the family of traditional communities, the members believe in one religion and they worship the same deities. Yes, they worship, means the family god is one. Okay, all worship the same god, and that is said their deities. Deities means Kul Devta. Various religious rituals are jointly celebrated and all the members participated in them. Religious rituals, like whatever festivals are there, rituals are there, puja is there, or we can say now Diwali is going to come. Ganesh Chaturthi was there, and if any means worship is there. So whatever is there, whatever rituals are there, they are celebrated together. All family members take part in the common worship, rituals, rites, and ceremonies. They are homogeneous in nature and everybody works for common goal and welfare of all members. Homogeneous means same. They are not different from each other. They are same as each other. Okay? And everybody works for common goal and welfare of all the members. It provides shelter to all its members, including the weak, aged, and widows. Okay, so this is the reference of the family. In this way you have to write your answer. The next is change introduced into traditional communities. Now, which kind of change is introduced? So, due to the impact of various factors like industrialization, urbanization, advanced means of transport and communication, social legislation, spread of modern education, democratic political system, changes are occurring in the structure and functions of traditional communities. So, these are the factors only responsible to bring change in the uh, traditional communities. So, which kind of change? Accordingly, the family in India has undergone significant changes due to impact of industrialization and urbanization. Traditional joint family is replaced by nuclear family. After industrialization, people started migrating into urban communities in search of employment, in search of further education. Okay, so in urban communities, it is hardly impossible to accommodate uh, joint family in one means in small areas, because in urban communities small flats are available, means whatever is that, means sufficient place is not available for the accommodation. So that's why this joint family system replaced with nuclear family system. Even husband and wife both are independent, so they means the proper care and look after is not there of the elders. That's why elders are not ready to stay along with their children. So there are so many factors which are responsible in the replacement of joint family. Due to urbanization, social relationships have become more formal and contractual. Social relationship is no more exist. Yes, whatever relations are there in urban communities, they are temporary, and secondary relations are there. Customs, traditions, values, rituals, beliefs have changed. All these systems means whatever customs are there, traditions are there, values are there, rituals, beliefs, everything become change. Now people orthodox mentality is not existing, traditional thinking is not there. Yes, instead of that people became very practical and scientific attitude inculcate amongst them. So all these are the factors. Today, the size of family is decreasing. The power of patriarchal authority has been declined. Patriarchal authority means previously male was the head of the family, but nowadays both parents are having authority to take the decision. This patriarchal family system is no more exist, or it is started declining. Various social legislation have provided individuals many rights. Social legislation means many social laws are there which provided to secure one's rights. Yes, like there are too many. Domestic violence right is there. So as per this, women are not supposed to exploited by the family members. Okay, um, so there are means so not only domestic, a dowry prohibition act is there, female infanticides are there. So one should be aware about their rights, okay, then only it is possible that no other person can violate their rights. Besides, due to the impact of spread of education, individualism, democratic values like liberty and equality, personal desires are becoming dominant. Okay. Due to the impact of spread of education, individualism, democratic values like liberty and equality, people became more dominant. Okay, though the head of the family is husband and he has to make decisions by taking into consideration the opinions and desires of his wife and children. Okay, but still in some families, husband or male of the family means nowadays nuclear family system is there, so husband and wife and their children, so husband is having authority to take the decision, but with the consideration of the opinion of his wife as well as his children, means he is not supposed to take uh, means own decision, or his own opinion is no more exist. Families or religion in traditional community was based on collectivity. Due to impact of individualism, the importance of kinship is decreasing. The recreational function of the family is losing its importance because modern means of recreation have become popular. Due to impact individualism means people prefer to live individual, okay, they prefer to live independent, so that's why this kinship means blood relationship, or we can say brotherhood. So this concept or importance of kinship is decreasing. The recreational of function of family is losing its importance. Yes, means nowadays we have observed that due to this modern technology, people are not ready to stay along with their. They are not ready to live along with their families. Instead of that, children they prefer to stay along with their peer groups. Yeah, they feel more comfortable with their friends and all. Yes, due to this electronic gadgets and all, uh, we one is keeping his or herself isolated from his family members. The values which are inculcated among the children, uh, uh, so television and this internet, these electronic gadgets and we can say mass media is inculcating values among the children, because parents they don't have time to spend with their children, so children used to busy watching TV and mobiles. Okay, so whatever they observe they learn that only. So in this way the importance of family and importance of parents are no more exist, or it starts losing. So in this way you have to write answer of this question. You also have to add your points. Okay, so along with this, revision of chapter 2 is completed.